Okay, right here, 2 AC plugs on this side. It's got 2 USB on this side. So you have 2 pieces that come with it. This base piece that goes underneath. This piece here that goes in between here to give this room to slide on. So we're going to show you right now how to do it. You need to loosen this up from the desk. Just enough to slide this piece in there. Then you can tighten it back up. Tool that you need is, it sits right in here. Then you need to take this piece off the center that holds the whole unit. The nut will stay in since it's already attached to the table, can't go anywhere. That comes off. Slide that right on. This piece then goes on magnetically, holds in place. Screw back in the center. And straighten this out so it's perfectly even. Tighten it back up. And we are done. That's it. It's on there now. You can take it off if you need. You can put it back on. You're good to go. That's all there is to it. Thank you all. You have a great day.